The part of regular expressions part 1. Okay, now we are ready to go for part 2, sir. A bit several new things, even application side of regular expressions we are going to see. Sir, what is regular expression? Have you remembered what is the regular expression, sir? If you want to represent a group of strings according to, if you want to represent a group of strings according to a particular pattern, then we should go for regular expressions, correct, right? If you want to represent a group of strings according to a particular pattern, then we should go for regular expressions concept. Okay, like next, what are various application areas of regular expressions? Even we discussed all those application areas, right? We can use to develop validation frameworks or to implement validations. Next, to develop pattern matching applications, to develop translators like compilers, interpreters, and assemblers, like to develop digital circuits, to develop communication protocols, like everywhere we are going to use regular expressions concept, right? So next, and after that, what are various first application I covered already, right? Okay, first application I discussed for pattern matching application. Sir, can you please cross check whether a particular pattern AB is available or not in the given target string? Can you please write a program like we covered already, sir? Multiple examples, right? Next, can you just for the sake of our first example, can you please just repeat, sir, what is the code we require to write? I forgot actually. Sir, can you spell out what is the code we require to write? Sir, this is what my requirement here is. Observe that, sir. My requirement is, can you please check whether a particular pattern is available or not? Whether a particular pattern is available or not. What is the code I have to write? Can I spell out, sir? What is the code I have to write? Sir, import rg. Sir, have you observed, right? Import rg. Next, and after that, directly you can ask matcher is equal to rg dot find iter. Sir, which pattern you want to find? AB. Sir, where you want to find AB, AAB? Next, ABA. Sir, like this I'm going to take, sir. Matcher RE is equal to like this. Next, for each match in matcher, what I have to take, sir? Sir, print of m dot start. Next, and after that m dot start. Next, m dot end, m dot start, m dot end, comma m dot group. Like this, we can able to take, sir. That's all for each match m in matcher. What is the start index? What is the end index? And then what is the group which you think got matched, right? Okay, like you can able to take. So now have a look once. So just py test.py. Regarding py test.py, 1 minute, sir. Sir, here I'm taking, sir, for each matcher matcher. Have you observed, right? Sir, observe in the 0th location AB is available, 3rd location AB is available, 5th location AB is available, right? Okay, that's all. This is what is the regular expressions, how you can able to use for pattern matching applications, right? And after that we covered already, and after that we discussed already. Have you, I hope you people may remember, sir, we discussed already, right? Okay, sir, something like character classes. I want to search for either A or B or C. Then automatically accept A or B or C, except A, B, C we record, sir. Next, and after that R, only alphabet symbols I want to take. Lowercase alphabet symbols I want to take. Sir, A to Z, capital A to Z, only uppercase alphabet symbols are both lowercase and alphabet symbols I want to take. Next, only digits I want to search. Okay, like next, and after that, you know, sir, my requirement is alphanumeric characters I have to find. Alphanumeric characters I have to find. Sir, these are various possible ways are there. Remember that. Okay, these things are by default considered as character classes. Next, and after that, even we discussed about predefined character classes. Correct, right? Predefined character classes. We covered about these things also, right? Predefined character classes, how you can able to do that? Very simple. Backslash s itself is nothing but space character. Backslash s itself is the space character. Next, the backslash capital S, except the space character you can search for anything. Next backslash d, any digits except digit any other character like sir backslash w, word character any alphanumeric character except alphanumeric character. Dot means everything. Can you please search? Okay, like these things are by default considered predefined character classes. Okay, next and after that even we discussed about quantifiers also. Okay, like sir, how many matches are required to match, how many occurrences are required to match, like that quantifiers concept, right? A, if I'm searching for a, exactly one a, wherever exactly one a is there, exactly one a, wherever exactly one a is there, then automatically it is going to be matched. Sir, a plus means at least one a, either one a or more number of a's. A star means any number of a's, any number of a's, any number of a's, including zero number also, including zero number also, any number of a's including zero number also is itself is nothing but a star, sir, a star. Next what is the next terminology, sir? A question mark also we discussed. A question mark means at most one a, at most one a. Next a followed by m, exactly m number of a's, exactly m number of a's, m number of a's, sir, exactly. Next a m comma n, sir, minimum m number of a's, minimum m number of a's, m number of a's, minimum n number of a's, n number of yes. Next and after that maximum n number of yes, max n number, right? Okay, remember that, then automatically we can go for like this. Sir, what is the next terminology we covered? Sir, this is about predefined character classes, quantifiers concept, even with examples we covered, right? Next and after that even we started discussion about important functions of RE module. Are you getting that? Important in the regular expressions, so what are various important functions? Important functions are RE module, right? Sir, in that we just started about several functions, right? We just started about several functions. What is the first function we covered, sir? Match. What the first function? Matches, sir. We can use a match function to check given pattern at the beginning of the target string or not. Sir, either target string sir contain beginning, this thing is available or not, beginning it's available or not, something like match we can able to take, sir. Sir, very simple, sir. Re dot match ab I'm taking, sir. ab a something like this I can able to take, sir. So this a target string starts with ab or not, this a target string starts with ab or not, like this we can able to take, sir. This is the first function what we covered. Okay, what we discussed, sir. Next the second function also we discussed, sir. Full match. Are getting full match? What is the full match? Is the total target string should be matched according to the given string. The total target string should be matched according to the given string is nothing but one full match. Remember this one, we covered with the examples, don't worry, sir. Sir, if you refer the previous video, then you can able to get much clarity, right? Next one after that, even the third one also we covered, sir. Search. Can you spell out what is the, for which purpose we are going to use search method, right? We can use search function to search the given string in that to given string in the target string, given pattern in the target string. If the match is available, then it returns the match object which represents first occurrence of the match. Remember that, first occurrence of the match, so it is going to return. If the match is not available, then simply it's going to return none, simply it's going to return none. We covered all this example also, with the example we discussed, right? Next one after that, find all. Are you getting right? What is the next one? Find all. Boss, all occurrences I want, not the first occurrence, all occurrences I want, right? To find all occurrences of the match, then we should go for find all. Find all method returns, find all method returns, sir, the matched things in the form of list, find all matches I want, sir, matched things in the form of list. Sir, very simple, sir. Suppose I'm taking import re, next one after that l is equal to re dot find all, of, okay, my requirement is I want to search for special characters. I want to search for special characters, right? Anyone, can you please tell, if you want to search for special characters, what you can able to take, sir? Backslash W. Are you getting? Backslash W. Backslash W means what? So except the word character is nothing but special characters only. Remember that. Sir, now my requirement is, sir, A7, sir, hash symbol, A7 hash symbol, sir, next and after that space, next yes, F and so on, dollar symbol, 9, sir, something is there, sir. Now in this, what are various special characters are there? Sir, hash symbol is there, space is there, hash symbol is there, space is there, and then even dollar symbol also. This is about my requirement. Sir, just what I want to take a print of L. Sir, very simple, print of L. Now observe that, yes, which special characters are there? Hash symbol is there, space is available, and then dollar symbol. If you want to all matched things according to this regular expression, then automatically then we should go for find all method. Best suitable, right? Suppose I want to search for all digits. How many digits are available, sir? Can you please observe? 7 under 9, something like. I want to search for only alphabet symbols. I want to search for only lowercase alphabet symbols. Observe that. How many lowercase alphabet symbols are there? A, S, F, J, something like. By default, you are going to get this thing itself is nothing but find all. Can you please search for all occurrences, right? Next one, after that, fifth one, not required to discuss anything, sir. Find ITER. Are you getting that? Find ITER. It returns iterator of matched objects. Right? By using this iterator, you can able to get each match. Next, for every match, you can ask what is the start index, what is the end index, which thing got matched. Like we can able to do that. Somewhere we used already in our first example. This method only we used. Not required to keep much explanation about these things, right? Clear for all of you, right? So that's all. This is directly what you people should ever find ITER. Okay, so just have a look once, sir. Find ITER. This is the function what we have. Find ITER. This is the function what we have. Okay, so now just take a bit very special care, sir. I want to search for digits, right? I want to search for digits. Where you require to search for the digits, sir? Okay, assume that A7B. Now next and after that K9. Next Z7, something like that. Z4 6, like this I have, sir. Okay, assume that in this I want to search for that. Now take a bit very special care, sir. It is going to iterate. It is going to get it is going to return iterator of matched object. Are you getting right? Iterator of matched objects. Now for each match in that iterator, what I have to do, sir? Print of m dot start, m dot end, m dot group, like this. Which thing got matched, sir? So that's all. Like this we can able to specify. Have you observed, right? So here just anything you can here just observe that a bit very carefully, sir. So for each sir, it is going to return all matched objects in the form of iterator. All matched objects in the form of iterator, like this, sir. For each m in the matcher. So for the first match object, next second match object, third match object, fourth match object, like it is always going to repeat, sir. Now have a look once, sir. How many digits are available, sir? At one start index, n index, and then 7. At a 4, 5, 9, something like. Sir, I don't want a digit. I want sir, except a digit any other character. Except a digit any other character. Can you please cross check, sir? A, B, K, Z. Except a digit any other character means A, B, K, Z. By default it is there. This is nothing but, this is itself is nothing but, okay, like find ITER. Up to that we covered already, right? Okay, sir. Now in the regular expression module, next things are a bit very important. Remember that a bit carefully, sir. Up to this is the clear? Up to this is the clear? Yes. Okay, sir, that's all. By mistake, if you are going to use \t, what will happen, sir? It is going to find Divya. Just can you please cross check what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning? So it is considered the tab only. There are no tabs are available. That's why no output by default you are going to get. Clear, right? Okay. Type of matcher object is matcher only. Type of matcher object is matcher only. Here match something like, if you want just a print sir, type of m, print type of m. If you observe that, yes, here anyway, let me take backslash d. Observe that here have you observed sre match? Are you getting sre match like this? What is the type of match object? Is regular expression match object only, remember. Okay, so that's all. This is about find ITR, find all, search, match, full match. These are 5 methods we covered already, right? Sir, yesterday some people felt a bit difficult to understand these words. Yesterday some people sir felt a bit difficult to understand these words. Now I hope all the words are very clear, right? Yes, man. All the words are very clear. Any sir, any difficulty to understand these words? Nothing is there. Just if you are going to refer second time, then automatically all the things by default will become very easy, sir. Now let me start the cinema, sir. Sub. Are you getting? Next the function sub is my function, sir. Can you please tell what is the meaning of sub? Can you please tell? Sub means subtract, subtraction. Wow. Sub. Can you please guess something? Sir, in the regular expressions, what is the meaning of subtract or subtraction, man? Sub expression, substring, any whatever you are feeling. Can you please substring? Sub means what? Substring. Like good, Avinash, good. So sub means substitution. Are you getting that? Substitute, replace, right? Substitution. Okay, substitution or replacement. Remember that, substitution or replacement. Boss, can you please check whether this matched thing is available or not? If a matched thing is available, can you please replace with my provided thing? Are you getting? Can you please replace with my provided new pattern? Okay, like you can able to do. Oh, while searching, if you want, you can able to replace also something like Control H command. Are you getting? Control H command in Windows? What it's going to do, sir? Replacement operation, right? Sir, how you can use the? Very simple, sir. re.sub regex. Are you getting regex re.sub regex. Next replacement, sir, which thing you have to replace? Next target string. Are you getting? Where, in which string you have to replace, right? So which pattern? Okay, wherever this match is there, replace that with this new thing. Next, where's are in this target string? Like total 3 arguments are there: regex, pattern, target string, and then sir, with what we have to replace? That new substitute we have to place here. Remember, sir, let me go for a small chota example so that you can aware. Sir, can you spell out what is the function name? Sub is the function name. Sub means what? Substitution or replacement. Remember. Okay, now everything is the same. Re here, just observe that s is equal to now observe this method returns after substitution. What is the word? Sir, this method returns after substitution. What is the result? By default, the result we are going to get, sir. Remember, the result by default we are going to get. Just observe that s is equal to re.sub. Re.sub, sir. Suppose here, just observe that I want to search for digit. Anywhere digit is there. I want to search for the digit, sir. If anywhere digit is there, just I want to replace with the hash symbol. Are you getting? I want to replace with the hash symbol all the digits, sir. Sir, I'm taking A7, B9, K5, T9K, something like this I took, sir. Sir, now what this sub method is going to do? Sub function is going to do the in this target string, Wherever this pattern is there, that pattern will be replaced with the hash symbol. Remember, after performing that replacement, the result by default we are going to get. Are you getting that? After performing that replacement, the result by default we are going to get. Now print of SSR. Are you getting it? Now print of, yes, we can able to take what output by default we are going to get, sir. Have you observed? Wherever digit is there, that digit replaced with the hash symbol. Are you getting right? Wherever digit is there, that digit replaced with the hash symbol, like, yes, remember that. Okay, yes, Parsade. Sir, it is exactly same as string class replace method. String class replace method is also same. Regular expression, sir, it is more convenient to use with respect to the patterns. That's why here, clear, right? Yes, any doubt? Suppose I don't want to replace with the hash symbol, I want to replace with xxxx, like this, right? Wherever digit is there, replace with xxxx. Yes, the first digit replaced, second digit replaced, third digit replaced, fourth digit by default got replaced, like that. So if you want substitution, if you want a replacement, then automatically we should go for sub. Sub is the method, right? Next one, sub n. What is the meaning of sub n? Yo, respond, man. What is the meaning of sub n? Sub n. Yes, internationalization. Sub n. Okay. Can you please guess something? Sub n. Substitute next line, replace n characters only. Yeah, guess something. Sub 1, sub n. Sub means replacement, sub n means what? Sub n means what? Here, in the case of sub, yeah, your expected answers are not correct, just simply legend man. So your is wrong, just legend. Sir, s is equal to, in this case, okay, just observe, in this case, what is the return type of this function? Ayo, what is the return type of this function, sir? The return type of this function is a string. The result string by default you are going to get. But sometimes my requirement is, boss, can you please, I want to perform replacement. But how many replacements happen? I want to know the number of replacements also. N means the number of replacements. How many replacements happen? I want to know, sir. I want to know. Then instead of sub, we have to use a sub n. Remember this one, sir. Instead of sub, we have to replace sub n. How many replacements were happened? For that, this is a sub n. Then immediately you may ask, sir, sub n, what is the return type, sir? A return type is not string. Remember, return type is not string. What it's going to do is, anyone, can you please guess? Can you please guess? Can you please guess? Int, correct. But the problem here is, if it is going to return int, then how many replacements for happen? Okay, well, you will get. But what is the result string? Are you getting what is the result string? That is the bigger problem. Okay, so this function is going to return t, sir. T means tuple. Are you getting? T means what? Tuple. In the tuple, first value is nothing but result string. First value result string, second value number of replacements. Are you getting? Number of replacements. Happily, if you want to get the first value t of 0, result string by default we are going to get t of 1. How many replacements were happened? Remember, the return type of sub n method is a tuple, sir. The return type of sub n method is a tuple. So first thing is nothing but result string. Second thing is nothing but number of replacements. Make sure you should aware. Okay. Sir, now how we can able to do that? How you can able to do that, sir? Very simple. Just observe that. Let me go for a small example, sir. Here the same here t I'm taking instead of n I'm taking sub n t. Now print type of t, print type of t, because I want to know what is the type. What is the type, sir? The type of t is nothing but tuple. Wow, perfect. The type of t is nothing but what? Tuple, sir. Tuple type. Now I'm asking about t of 0, t of 0 result string. T of 1 is nothing but number of replacements what happened. Regarding number of replacements what happened, sir, if you want the result string, if you want the result string, okay, like t of 0, next the number of replacements, the number of replacements, the number of replacements t of 1. Okay, now have a look once. This type of t is no longer required. Now observe, sir, wherever digit is there, replaced with x and so on. How many number of replacements happen, sir? Just the 4 replacements are happen. Remember, suppose if I'm going to type control H, have you observed, right? If I can type control H, wherever n is there, can you please replace with the k? Regarding control H, wherever n is there, can you please replace with the k? Sir, replace all, then automatically you may, sir, replace all. So sometimes you know, so on, those many so and so number of replacements happen. You can able to see also, sir, how you can able to do that. Just this is what you people should aware. Everyone can able to understand, right? Okay, sir, the target string remains unchanged because the result by default we are going to return, sir. Okay, sir, here the target string remains unchanged. I mean, suppose if we take and pass it to the, yes, sir, the result substring is always, I mean, original string as usual, it will be there, Srivane. That's all. Now, so sub function and then sub n function, and then sub n function. Sir, these things are very clear. Next one, a bit very important, very interesting, sir. Make sure split. Already we discussed multiple times in the case of string. Split function. Already we discussed multiple times, right? Same. If you want to split the given string according to a particular pattern, then we should go for split function. This split function available in string concept, split function available in regular expressions also. Remember that, sir, it's available in the string, it's available for the regular expressions also. Split function is available. Best example for you, yes, import. Observe that. Here let me go for already we know, sir, here import re. Next here what I'm taking, L is equal to, sir, split. L is equal to split. Sir, with respect to which one you have to split? I want to split with respect to hyphen symbol. Next, what the target strings are? 10, 20, 30, okay, 40, 50, something like this. If you are going to split, according to hyphen module, then automatically hyphen separator, then how many things by default will be there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Sir, like 5 tokens by default we are going to get. Print of L itself is nothing but list. Print of L itself is nothing but list. By default we are going to get. Clear, right? This is about split. Split itself is the method what you should aware. Okay, it's already there in our string concept. That's why not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Okay, well, so here I have one small doubt, sir. I have one small doubt. Suppose my target is here Durga www.durgasoft.videos.com is there, sir. This is about my web, my site. I want to divide this string according to dot. If I divide according to dot, my required output is, okay, for each x in L, can you please print x? My expected output is www next Durgasoft videos, and then com. This is my expected output. Anyone, can you please tell what I have to do? Sir, in the pattern, what thing I have to take? Good. What thing I have to take? Dot, that's all. Remember, dangerous thing. Remember, dangerous thing. Sir, dot means every character. Can you please divide every character? If I divide every character, what will happen, sir? Sir, nothing will be there. Nothing will be there, sir. Because all the remaining characters got matched. What is the output by default? You are going to get nothing, something like a space. So nothing will be there. How you can able to do that? So if you want to consider dot as symbol only, in the regular expression, there is one way is there, just the backslash. Are you getting backslash dot? Then you are conveying that, hey, regular expressions, don't apply your own meaning. Please consider this one as a symbol only. We are telling. Can you please consider this one as a symbol only? You are telling. So now, what is the output by default you are going to get? Have you observed, right? Just have a look once. Yes, www Durgasoft videos followed by .com. Suppose if I can take a dot within square bracket, just within square bracket, I hope it is treated as a symbol. Let me cross check. Yes. I hope, sir, within square bracket, if you are considering anything, sir, it is treated as a symbol only. But without a square bracket, just a dot. Without a square bracket, just a dot, then automatically nothing. Clear, right? Sir, observe. If you want to search for a dot, if you want to divide according to dot, then we should require to specify either backslash symbol or otherwise within square bracket a dot. Anything you can able to do. Sometimes, do you know, in our website, some websites, while displaying mail ID, gmail.com, this dot they are going to specify within the box. Are you getting? Somewhere they may specify within the box something like, sir, what this one is nothing, just what we call to execute our scripts very easily. Remember this one, to capture our mail IDs very easily. This type of thing is going to be helpful. Clear? After this, any doubt? If we are considering nothing, suppose your first argument are not specifying, what will happen? Let me cross check, sir. Yes, compulsory it is expecting some argument. Okay, here default space is there. No, sir. Default space is there. No. Compulsory you have to specify the space. Are you getting? Compulsory you have to specify the space. Non-empty. Compulsory we require to specify the space. Remember this one. If you want to divide. But in the case of string, what is the default pattern? Boss, have you remembered string class split method? What is the default pattern? Space is the default pattern. But in the regular expression, space is not there. You have to specify anything explicitly. Remember that. Sir, up to this, whatever the methods we covered, right? Just observe that. Sir, we covered almost all. Match method, match function we covered. Full match we covered. Search we covered. Find all. Are you getting right? Find all. We covered how many occurrences are there. Next and after that, find ITER. We discussed already. Next, substitution. Sir, sub n. Are you getting right? Sub n. Why this happened? Because I used control H command right there. Have you remember control H command replacement? That's why I got replaced all n with k. Okay, like sub n, something like you people can able to understand. Clear, right? These are various functions whatever we have. Now let me go for two special cases we have to discuss, and then chota applications we will develop, sir. Then we will get much clarity about regular expressions. Any doubt up to this? Any doubt up to this? Yes. Within square bracket, dot is applicable in every language. It is for regular expressions, not only Python. In Java also it is applicable. Regex means regular expressions. That is the Java's terminology. Import java.util.regex package, sub package present inside Java. Regex. We are going to use the word regular expressions. Here in Python, we are using the word RE module. Correct or not? RE module we are using. But in the case of Java, we require to use java.util.regex package. Are you getting regex, regular expressions package, which came as a part of Java 1.4 version. Regular expressions concept came in the 1.4 version of Java. Okay, because Java slowly copying all other language features into Java version to version. Yes, man, really. Lambda expressions came in the Java 8. Modular programming came in the Java 9. Are you getting modular programming came in the Java 9. Functional, enable, and so on. Next, we have Python IDLE is there. Python shell is there, right? I hope you know. Python shell is there. Python shell. Yes, we know. We use it already. Python shell. Python shell is there. 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 is nothing but 30. Java people introduced in Java 9, named with J shell. Are you getting Python shell? We have from day 1 onwards. But there, Java shell, which came in Java 9. Slowly they are copying all the features, it seems. Yeah. Okay, up to this, any doubt? After this, any doubt? Java people are there in our session. They are feeling like anything. I'm seeing in their faces. Okay, so that's all. These are various functions, whatever we have. Okay, now just what is the next one, sir? Here, symbol. Okay, in the last session we used already. Do you know cap symbol? Regarding cap symbol, we used already cap symbol and the dollar symbols we used, right? Okay, cap symbol and the dollar symbol we used. What is the cap symbol, right? We can use cap symbol to check whether the given target string starts with our provided pattern or not. Regarding cap symbol means starts with, dollar symbol means ends with. Remember that, sir. Cap symbol means sir starts with, dollar symbol means ends with. Observe that. Suppose I'm taking sir res is equal to, result is equal to re dot search of, okay, here cap symbol I'm taking learn, sir, learn comma yes, what it means is, sir, is this a target string starts with the learn or not? Are you getting? Is the target string starts with the learn or not? Okay, if the target string starts with the learn, then it will return match object. Are you getting? Then it will return what? Match object. Once you got match object, m dot start, m dot end, like this you can able to ask. M dot start, m dot end, okay, m dot group, like this you can able to ask. So if it not returns, if a match is not there, then simply it's going to return none. Remember this one. If the match is there, then it's going to return match object. If the match is not there, then automatically it is going to return none. That's why how you can identify whether starts with the match or not. Just very simple, sir. Cap symbol learn. Okay, 1 minute. Let me go for a small chota example so that you people can able to understand, right? Okay, here see this one. How to use this cap symbol, right? Sir, now I'm taking import re, next and after that, sir, yes is equal to learning Python is very easy. Learning Python is very easy. Like this I'm taking, sir. Assume that this is about my target string. So I'm checking res is equal to re dot search function, search function. Okay, like now my requirement is learn. Can you please check whether this yes starts with the learn or not? If res is not equal to none, res is not equal to none, okay, print on target string starts with the learn, starts with learn, like this I can able to take, sir. Sir, else, sir, we can print target string not starts with learn. Target string not starts with learn. Like this we can able to take, sir. That's all. A simple example. A simple example, sir. Sir, like instead of hard coding, if you want, you can able to take the target string and the substring also. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now let me go for that. Target string starts with learn. Correct. Target string starts with learn. Suppose here learn is there, sir. Okay, learn is there. Suppose sir, here t tear n, like this I'm taking. Then automatically, sir, what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Just observe, not starts with the tear, not starts with the tear n. Have you observed? Not starts with the, like by default you are going to get. So in our regular expressions, anywhere cap symbol is there, don't worry, sir, it's always going to search for whether it starts with or not. Okay, like similarly, yes, we covered about dollar symbol also. Similarly, we discussed about dollar symbol also. Okay, what is the meaning of dollar symbol, sir? We can use a dollar symbol to check. We can use a dollar symbol to check whether the given target string ends with our provided pattern or not. Ends with our provided pattern or not. Okay, like we can able to do that. Yes, just there is Nandakishore. So here cap symbol, what it is doing, match is also doing the same thing. Are you getting? Match, correct. Match is also doing same thing, right? Okay, next dollar symbol we can use. Sir, let me go for a small example, same example only. Sir, here learning with the Python. Now here what I want to take, sir, learn, is it ends with the easy or not? Are you getting? Is it ends with the easy or not? Sir, easy, sir, dollar. Are you getting? Easy, dollar. So if the result is not equal to none, sir, is ends with easy. Ends with easy, sir. Are you getting? Target string not ends with easy. Like this we can take. Are you getting? Target string not ends with easy. Like observe, happily do you know, ends with easy. Ends with easy by default you are going to get. Suppose I'm taking not ends with some special symbols also there. That's why not ends with. Like this we are going to get, sir. Okay, that's all. Next, sometimes it is a very important, sir. In the regular expressions, this word is a very common. This word itself is a very common word, sir. What the word is? I want to search for easy. I want to search for easy. But either lowercase or uppercase. Case is not important for us. If you want to ignore the case, then automatically what we require to do is, sir, here comma. How many arguments are there for search, sir? Only 2 arguments up to this. Comma. If you want to ignore either lowercase or uppercase, no problem at all, sir. Either lowercase or uppercase. It may be lowercase also. Comma. What we have to take, sir, here re dot ignore case. Are you getting right? Re dot ignore case. Regular expressions ignore case में the ignore case argument. Then automatically it never going to worry about case. Remember, case. Suppose if I'm not taking like this, it is an attribute, sir. If I'm not taking like this, sir, what is the answer we are going to get now? Can you please guide? What is the answer we are going to get now? Is it starts or is it ends with easy or not? Is it ends with easy or not? Yes, is it ends with easy or not? Okay, no, because the reason is by default the case is also important. That's why not ends with easy. Array case don't consider. If you don't want to consider the case, then automatically re dot ignore case. Now can you please observe that target string ends with, observe that ends with, okay, here all the things are uppercase also, no problem at all, because we never going to worry about cases. All the things starts with here uppercase, only uppercase also ends with like. So case sensitive if you want, case sensitive, case insensitive if you want to, re dot ignore case, like this we require to consider. That's all, sir. Now what is the next cinema we have to talk about, sir? Very simple, just take a bit special care, sir. Target string ends with lower case or upper case, don't worry about that, sir. That's all. These are some theoretical concepts, what we are always going to use in our regular expressions. What is the cap symbol, what is the dollar symbol, re dot ignore case, next and after that, you know, find all, find like search, sub n, sub n, split, okay, like all these functions you people should aware, sir. Sir, now we are ready to go for small chota application, so that you people can get much clarity about the regular expressions concepts, sir. I'm sure. What is the next thing what I have to take care? What the next one I have to take care is, sir, write a regular expression to represent, write a regular expression to represent all Java language identifiers. Are you getting? Java language identifiers, not Java language identifiers. Can you please sir, specify? So in Java language identifiers are just what is Java, my own language, okay, my own language I'm defining, sir. All Java language identifiers. What are the rules are there, sir? The allowed characters are alphabet symbols. Yes, alphabet symbols you can take, no problem at all, either lowercase or uppercase. Next digits you can take, next and after that hash, hash symbol you can take. Only these are the allowed characters, sir. Sir, your identifier should be, sir, only alphabet symbols, digits and hash symbol only. Next the first character should be lowercase, lowercase alphabet symbol, from lowercase alphabet symbol, from do you know lowercase alphabet symbol from A to K only, sir. You can take any character, but it should be lowercase alphabet symbol from A to K only. That is the rule for the first character. Next second character should be any digit, any digit divisible by 3. Are you getting? The second character should be any digit divisible by 3. Like this we have to take any digit divisible by 3, 0 or 3 or 6 or 9, like this, right? Next the length of identifier should be, should be at least 2, sir, at least 2. How you can able to do that? It's a very easy. So observe, these are the rules, right? These are the rules, sir. To identify, sir, to satisfy these rules, sir, you have to define a regular expression, so that that regular expression represent all Java language identifiers, right? That's about our target. How you can able to do that? How you can able to do that? Can you please tell what is the first character? Alright, respond. What is the first character? The first character should be lowercase alphabet symbol from A to K only. So first character A to K. Within square bracket, A to K means any symbol, either A or B or C and so on, from A to K, only one symbol, okay, lowercase. Second one, can you please tell what is the second one? Second one. So either 0, any digit divisible by 3. Any digit divisible by 3. So only you can't take 2. You can't take, sir, 0, 3, 6, 9 only. Only digit 0, 3, 6, 9 only you have to take, sir. Okay, like how you can able to take? 1 minute, sir. If I can take A, B, C, what is the meaning of this one? In the yesterday session we covered. What is the meaning of ABC? ABC within square bracket, either A or B or C. Correct, right? Sir, if I can take 0, 3, 6, 9, what is the meaning of this one? 0, 3, 6, 9. Either 0 or 3 or 6 or 6 or 9. Correct or not? Sir, it may be 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Okay. Second character should be 0, 3, 6, 9. So among these two things, sir, if you are taking any one, it is acceptable. Excellent, man. Second condition is also covered. What is the third one, sir? So the length of the identifier should be at least 2. At least 2. At least 2. Then automatically, do you know, length of identifier should be at least 2. 2 length already covered. 2 length already covered. After 2 length, no more restrictions. After 2 length, no more restrictions. That's why A to Z you can take, A to Z you can take, A to Z you can take, 0 to 9 you can take, as a symbol you can take, any number of times you can take. Star mark means what? Any number of times, including 0 times also. Any number of times you can able to take. That's all. This is the regular expression to represent all Java language identifiers. Remember. Sir, Onkar, can you please cross check? Onkar, can you please cross check? What is the third rule? Please respond. What is the third rule, sir? Sir, the second character should be any digit. Are you getting? It is talks about only single character I'm talking. Single character I'm taking. If you are going to take 15, if you are going to take 15, then these are not single character. These are two characters. That's why second character should be a single digit, which should be divisible by 3. 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Okay, that's all, friend. But how you can use this regular expression, that part we are going to take, sir. First, aware how you can able to write a regular expression. Clear? Are you in a position to understand? No response. How to write? Sir, now what I will do, let me go for a small chota executable code. Read some identifier from the keyboard. Read some identifier from the keyboard. Sir, now our Python program should check whether it is a valid identifier or not, whether it is follows all conditions or not. This regular expression is going to check, sir. How, sir? Just observe that a bit carefully. What I'm taking, sir? Import arg. Import arg I'm taking, sir. Now s is equal to input r, enter identifier, sir, to check, enter identifier to check, to validate. Are you getting? To validate whether it is a valid or not, enter identifier to validate. Okay, yes is there, sir. Ankita, 2-digit numbers are not going to be considered because we are always talking about first character, second character, third character, and so on. That's why if 2-digit numbers you are going to consider, now you are going to talk about second position, third position also. To make simplify, I'm always talking about character by character. Second character, second position should be filled with the digit. That digit should be divisible by 3. Okay, like next, what I want to take, sir, if I enter, sir, D6, sir, A7 hash. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? D6 A7 hash, is it valid or not? Valid. Suppose if I enter, sir, D6, sir, D6 A7, next H dollar I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. So means you have to check complete thing, man, full match, not up to this already satisfied. That's why it is valid. No. You should not take that. You should not like. You have to consider full match. You require to consider full match. If the full match according to that regular expression, then automatically you can consider that it is valid. Are you getting? If a full match is not according to that regular expression, please consider that it is invalid. Are you getting? It is invalid. How you can able to do that, sir? Very simple, sir. How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. So what I will take is M is equal to RE dot full match. RE dot full match. I want full match, sir. Full match. Next, which thing you require to check? Which thing you require to check, sir? Which thing you require to check? Observe that a bit carefully, sir. Which one we require to check? Have you observed? This is the regular expression. Just now I wrote. Can I use directly? Yes. This is the first thing. First regular expression. Or otherwise first comma, where you have to search it. Okay, like this. Like this, observe. So this a target string. This a target string according to this particular pattern or not. This a target string according to particular pattern or not. Yes, make sure, sir. You people should aware. I hope clear. Not required to keep any explanation about this terminology, right? Okay. According to this particular pattern or not, like this we have to use. Okay. Now, full match we require to talk. Okay. Now, if m is not equal to none, if m is not equal to none, print sir, yes is valid Java identifier. Okay, like else sir, print yes is not valid Java identifier. Like this we can able to take. Clear? Any explanation is required? Okay, let me execute that. Let me execute first and then your doubts I will clarify. Observe, enter some identifier to validate, sir. So just I'm taking A, that's all. Only A. Is it valid or invalid? Respond. Only A. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Because according to your regular expression, 2 length must be compulsory. So A is not valid Java identifier. Okay, well. So now I'm taking A, sir, 7. A6 I'm taking. Sir, satisfied or not? A6, yes, perfect. A6 is a valid Java identifier, right? Now I'm taking, sir, A9, 87, H675, J I'm taking. Valid or not? Yes, what is the problem with that? Perfectly valid identifier only. Suppose I'm taking, sir, one, Z4, Z3, sir, next, Z3, K5 I'm taking. Can you please guide? Is it valid or invalid? Invalid because according to our program, the first character should be A2K only. Second character should be a digit only, 0, 3 or 6, 9, like this. Okay. Now, what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Is not valid. Clear? Everyone can able to understand? Okay. Yeah. Some people are asking the doubts. Can you please come again? If you are having the doubt, please. Here, find ITER we can't use. Find ITER we can't use. Because the reason for that is, in our target string, if multiple matches are there, then we require to use find ITER. But our total target string we require to check only one match should be there. That full match should be there. That's why full match. Srivani, are you able to understand? Find ITER means if you have multiple matches are there. Suppose I'm taking some string, sir. Suppose DURGA. Next and after that 9. Next and after that, like this I'm taking, sir. Suppose, can you please search how many times digits came? This is about my requirement. How many times digits came? If you have that, then we require to use find iterator because multiple matches are there. But here my requirement is I will give some identifier. Is it valid Java language identifier or not? I'm talking. So multiple matches won't be there. The total thing matched according to the given regular expression or not. That's why we are going to use full match. Clear, Srivani? Okay. Yeah. What is the? Yes. For minimum 2 length, what is that? Nandakishore. For min 2 length, can we go with question mark symbol? Yes, we can go. But extra rules are also there. Have you observed, right? These rules also should be satisfied. First character should be lowercase alphabet symbol from A to K. Second character should be divisible by 3 and so on. Whenever we are satisfying these two conditions, automatically minimum length condition already satisfied. Regarding first character should be, second character should be, then automatically minimum 2 length already satisfied. That's why we never going to worry about that. Nandakishore? Okay? Yeah. Another doubt. Priyanka. Why A to K only? Sir, Priyanka, just Java language is my own language. In my language, okay, my rules. The identifier should starts with within the first letter should be lowercase. Within A to K only. That is my rule. That is my rule. My language rule. Okay, like that. But Java, so like it is not a standard important question. Why A to K only? Suppose you may take A to L also. Just for example sake, I'm taking one small example. Beyond that, nothing. It is not standard thumb rule A to K only like that. Getting right? Yeah. Yes, Saujanya. Slowly, once we are going to practice examples, then you will get much clarity. Definitely, I will keep that point in my mind. Okay. So here just observe what I'm trying to take, sir. What is our requirement? Read one identifier from the keyboard. Read one identifier from the keyboard. Can you please check whether this total identifier according to the given regular expression or not? Again, can you please check whether this total identifier according to given regular expression or not? Then we should go for full match. Remember this one. Are you able to understand? Then we should go for what? Full match. Saujanya, are you able to understand? Okay, like suppose sometimes my requirement here, array, can you please, you have one string is there, array, read one string from the keyboard, and check whether this string starts with Durga or not. Are you getting? Whether the string starts with Durga or not, then automatically which method we require to use? Match is the method. Are you getting? Which method we require to use? Match is the method, sir. Array, can you please tell, sir, read one string from the keyboard. In that string, how many digits are available? Can you please, how many digits are available? Then automatically find all you can, next and after that find ITR you can, next and after that search you can, no problem at all. Are you getting right? Find all, find the ITR and the search we can able to use, no issue at all. Next, my requirement is, array, can you wherever read from string from the keyboard, wherever difficulty is there, can you please replace, wherever difficulty is there, can you please replace with easy. Sir, this is my programming requirement. Then automatically sub. Okay, like sir, you can replace with but how many replacements happen? I want that number also. Then automatically we can go for sub n. I hope the people are getting some slowly clarity with the first example. When we should go for full match, when we should go for match, when we should go for find all, when we should go for like this, you people should be aware. Next up, what is that? Guru Prasad. I didn't get you. Why? In our regular expression, Y star. This is right. Y star symbol. Correct, right? This is your doubt, right? Y star symbol. Guru Prasad. Yeah. Here very simple, sir. Very simple. Here 1 minute. Yeah. First example better to get much clarity. Then the remaining examples will become very easy for you people. Okay, make sure don't keep any doubt with this. So here first thing should be A to K. Here observe, first thing should be one symbol from A to K, first character covered. Next, second thing should be 0369, one character or one digit covered. Next, after these two length, how many remaining characters you can take? Any number of characters, any symbols you can take. Sir, which symbols you can take? Lowercase alphabet symbol, uppercase alphabet symbol, or digits or hash. How these are symbols? How many I can take? How many times I can take? Or how many I can take? 0 to any number, 0 or more. 0 times you can take, 1 time you can take, 2 times you can take, 3 times you can take, 10 times you can take. How you can specify the star is the symbol? Remember that. If I can take a star, if I can take a star, what is the meaning of that? Sir, any number of A's, any number of A's. You can take this A any number of times, including 0 number also. Here, this total thing star. This total thing star means, sir, these characters, any number of times you can take, either 0 time or 1 time or multiple times, no problem at all. Clear? Any doubt? Next question, sir. Yeah. If a minimum length is 3, then we have to write it. Yeah, good. Then, sir, here Divya, she is asking a small doubt, sir. If a minimum length is 3, sir, not 2. Minimum length is 3, sir, but not 2. Then simple, Divya, better to use plus symbol. So plus symbol means from here, compulsory at least one or more. Are you getting it right? One or more. Like this we can able to take. Divya, are you able to understand? Yes, 1 or more, like this, right? Yeah. How can we represent same character should not be repeated more than 3 times? Yeah. Ankita, there are some conditions maybe there. Then we should go for 2 lengthy regular expressions. Okay. So just at the beginning, let me keep as much as possible, as simple as possible. First, get the concept. Okay. So these are a bit complex regular expressions. We can do that. So such a type of requirements also very common, sir. Because the digits should not be repeated again and again. Like we have to do some small kind of thing. Yes. So Ankita's doubt here, same character should not be repeated more than 3 times. We require to consider all possible combinations. And then we require to write a big regular expression. Remember. Sir, up to this is the clear? Up to this is the clear for you people? Okay, well, next, what is the next thing I have to take, sir? What is the next thing we require to take? Sir, what is the write a regular expression to represent all 10-digit mobile numbers? Are you getting? Write a regular expression to represent all 10-digit mobile numbers. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? All 10-digit mobile numbers. Okay, like that. Can you please tell what is the first digit? What is the first digit? The first digit should be 7 or 8 or 9 or 6 also. These days 6 also. Next, what about remaining? The remaining, no restrictions at all. You can take 0 to 9 any number of times, no problem. I mean any digit, no problem at all. What I have to take is observe carefully. The first digit either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Correct? First one already covered. Something like ABCD. Good. Something like ABCD. Next, the second one, sir. I have one small doubt. Write a regular expression to represent all 10-digit mobile numbers. Can you please write, pen? Anyone, can you please write? Can you please spell out what is the way? The first digit should be 6, 7 or 8, 9. Already we covered about first one. What about remaining? Yes, good. Each and every person should respond, please. Each and every person should respond. Because there are some mistakes I'm taking. I'm seeing. That's why. Okay. Make sure, sir. First one 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, second one, sir, 0 to 9. Second one, sir, 0 to 9. Can I take star symbol? Divya, observe that. Can I take star symbol? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Good. If I can take instead of star plus symbol, yes or no? Yes or no? You can't take, because the reason is star means any number of times you can take. Then automatically I don't want to take anything. I don't want to take at least one time also. 0 number of times I want to take. then automatically only one digit number. It is not valid 10 digit mobile number. Are you getting? That's why here if I can take 0 at least one any number of time. Array, take only once. Take only once, it's enough. Take only once, it's enough. Enough. Like take only once, it's enough means you can going to take sir only here one digit and then here one digit, two digit number is not a valid mobile number. That's why star kind of symbol plus a symbol, that kind of things are not going to work. Okay, excellent. Now simple, sir, 0 to 9, second digit can be 0 to 9, third digit also 0 to 9, fourth digit 0 to 9, 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 like this. Okay, can you please cross check, sir? Is the total 9 times it came or not? 1 minute, 1 minute, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Okay, 9 times followed by 1 digit already, 10 digits by default covered, right? Now my question is, sir, why this much lengthy code? Sir, 0 to 9, exactly how many times you want to take, sir? 9 times. Exactly how many times we want to take? 9 times. Have you remembered, right? A within curly braces 9 means A we can take 9 times. A we can take 9 times. That's all. 9 times. Are you getting? So you can take. Next this, sir, 0 to 9. Yes, perfect shortcut, right? Next 6, 7, 8, 9. Simply you can take 6 to 9. Simply you can take 6 to 9 and 0 to 9. And 0 to 9 you can take very simple \d. Are you getting? 0 to 9 means d, man. 0 to 9 means d, and then sir 9. Perfectly, it's going to work or not? Perfectly, this one is going to work. Don't keep any doubt at all. Are you getting right? That's all. So can you please check? Can you please check? Now my requirement is, this is the regular expression. All 10 digit mobile numbers. All 10 digit mobile numbers. Okay, like you can able to do that, sir. Now, sir, once you are feeling comfortable, the number can be 10 digit, 11 digit, 12 digit also, you can able to cross check. If it is the 10 digit, at the beginning 0 will be there. If it is the 12 digit, at the beginning 91 will be there in India. Are you getting? 91 will be there for India people. Okay, like this is about my requirement. Sir, how to use this regular expression, sir? Very simple. Write a Python program to check whether the given number is a valid mobile number or not. Are you getting? Write a Python program to check whether the given number is a valid mobile number or not. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that, sir? Very simple. Very simple. We can. Very simple, sir. So read same example. Same. Enter mobile number to validate. Enter mobile number to validate. Here just observe. Mobile number to validate. Okay, now have a look once, sir. I can use, sir, which method we require to use? Can I use the full match? Yes, man. Can I use the full match? Yes, because total number you have to check, not part of the number. Total number we require to check. That's why compulsory full match only. What is the regular expression? I forgot, sir. Can you please guide? Shortest thing. 9, 6 to 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 to 9, followed by \d. How many times, right? 9 times. By mistake, if you are giving 11 digits or 12 digits, immediately this one is going to tell, sorry man, it is invalid. Sorry, it is invalid, like it's going to tell. So if m is not none, then automatically is valid mobile number. Is valid mobile number. Sir, if it is not valid mobile number, not valid mobile number, like this you can take. That's all. Can I execute this code? Can I execute this code? Yet just observe that. If we want to start with the plus symbol, yeah, you can check Amit. So more or less the same kind of logic only. Yes, what is the code we require to write, sir? Enter mobile number to validate. Now I'm taking, sir, just 9898989898. Sir, valid 10 digit mobile number, sir. 98989898 valid 10 digit mobile number. Perfectly it is a valid mobile number. Are you getting? Perfectly this one is the valid mobile number, sir. Sir, if I can take 92929292. Yes, valid mobile number. Sir, if I can take 123, valid or not? 123, valid or not? 123, invalid, because it is a mobile number, man. Okay, invalid mobile number. Are you getting? Invalid mobile number. Now, if I can provide 786786786, valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? 786786786, invalid. What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem? Why it is invalid? Only 9 digits, but I require 10 digits. That's why invalid. But if I can take 78678678677, then automatically is it valid or not? Yes, perfectly. This one is a valid mobile number. Observe that, sir. So this type of validation logic, something is going to be happen. This type of validation logic, something is going to be happen. Something is going to be happened. Okay, whenever we enter, okay, mobile numbers, mail IDs in the forms. Okay, remember that. So JavaScript code is going to execute to perform all these validations. So to implement a validation logic, regular expressions is the concept what we are going to use. Clear? Are you in a position to understand, right? That's all. Now, sir, a small assignment you have to take care. A small assignment. Yes, what's my assignment is? Sir, here I check only 10-digit number, 10-digit mobile number, right? Now, my requirement is, sir, the number either 10-digit or 11-digit or 12-digit or 12-digit or 13 also. 13 also. Okay, 13 also. Next, if it is a 10-digit number, if it is a 10-digit number, okay, no problem at all. Our rules are same. So here something like 629, and then 9 digits you can take. If it is 11-digit, if it is a 10-digit, no problem. Just now we covered already. If it is a 11-digit number, the first digit should be, anyone can you please tell, sir? The first digit should be 0. Remember, the first digit should be 0. Next, if it is a 12-digit, the first digit should be 91. The first two digits should be 91. Are you getting? 91. Next, if it is a 13, the first three digits should be, okay, plus 91. Remember that. So can you please write a regular expression to check, sir, to provide, you can provide your input either 10-digit or 11-digit or 12-digit or 13-digit, but your Python program has to tell that, yes, perfectly, it is valid, man, like that. Clear? Are you able to understand? Can you please do this small assignment and check all the possibilities, and please let me know that. Okay, don't worry. Now my next requirements are, oh, what's the time? Break time? Yeah. Example, a bit more interesting example. Sir, take a bit special care, especially 6 o'clock batch students. You have to take much care, because small chota concept I didn't cover. Still I'm using this concept in this example. Okay, anyway, I will explain if you are facing any problem, sir. What is my requirement here is, observe, write a Python program to extract, all mobile numbers present in input.txt file. Are you getting? There is one input.txt file is there. Okay, sir, assume this is my input.txt file. Here the data looks like, hello, this is Durga with the mobile number, okay, 98480. Sir, 98480. Sir, this is next, and after that this is Ravi with the number 8096969696. Okay, next, and after that, sir, this is Shiva. Okay, this is the Shiva, like Shiva with the number 9246212143. Okay, like we have, sir. That's all. This is my data. Something like your resume. Are getting something like your resume? Resume contain data and the mobile number also. Getting resume contain data mixed with mobile number. Somewhere mobile number is there. I want to capture that mobile number. This is about my requirement, right? Are you getting? So can you please read all mobile numbers whatever there in this file and display to the console? This is about my requirement, right? Or otherwise write to output.txt. Write to output.txt. This is about our requirement, right? Let me save this file. Let me save this file in my current working directory. Name of this file is input.txt. Are you getting? Input.txt. That is the file I used, sir. Sir, now my requirement is read the data. Read the data from the file. Read the data from the file and sir, check how many mobile numbers are there. Read that mobile numbers. Read that mobile numbers and write to output.txt file. Beautiful example, right? Are you in a position to understand, right? Are you, sir? Just observe that. Suppose sometimes what will happen is, I want to send one SMS message saying for all the people who applied for a job, I want to send SMS message tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Please come to office. Like I have to intimate that. Please come to office. Like sir, almost 1 lakh numbers are there. 1 lakh resumes came, sir. Assume that 1 lakh resumes came. Okay, assume. So then automatically, sir, select open every resume and select a mobile number and send SMS message. If you are going to do this activity manually, then automatically tomorrow morning 10 o'clock means hardly you may complete 100 numbers, but not 1 lakh numbers. Are you getting that? But not 1 lakh numbers manually. Write a small Python program. Array open file and read wherever mobile number is there, read that and write to output.txt. If I run that Python program at 1 minute, 1 lakh mobile numbers will come to output file. From the output file, I will select and I will send SMS message. Are you getting that? Okay. This is a very common requirements. Make sure if wherever data with mobile numbers got mixed, I want to read all these instead of manually. My Python program has to do that, sir. This is about my requirement. How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Listen carefully. So sir, some 6 o'clock batch people take a bit special care. You can able to understand very easily, sir. Import RE. Any doubt about this one? Import RE. Any doubt about this one? Okay, that's all. Sir, now where our data is available? Anyone can you please tell where our data is available? Oh, respond. Where our data is available? Data is available inside input.txt. Where our data is available? Inside input.txt. That's why what I want to do is open input.txt for reading purpose. F1 is equal to open. Are you getting that? F1 is equal to open. Which file you have to open? Input.txt. For which purpose we require to open? Read the purpose. Sir, read purpose. Have you observed, right? F1 open input.txt. Sir, for a read purpose. Is it fixed for txt type or not? No. You can use any extension, no problem at all. It can be used for any extension. Okay. Up to this is the clear for all, right? Yes. Sir, evening 6 o'clock batch people, please observe. But anyway, in the file IO concept, we will discuss. In the file IO concept, we are going to discuss. Okay, don't worry. Look, just if it is the Excel kind of thing, how to read that part I will take care. I will explain that in the file IO concept. Just aware this. So now here F2. Sir, after reading data, sir, anyway, I'm keeping F1 is ready to read the data. Sir, some writer must be required to write the data. To which file you want to write, sir? Open, sir, output.txt. Are you getting? Output.txt. For which purpose, right? Writing purpose. Then immediately you may have the doubt, sir. Sir, if output.txt file is not already available, no problem at all. Sir, it will, no problem at all. It will create this file. If it is not already there, it will create this file. Okay, like so I open F1 for to read the data from input.txt. I open F2 to write the data to output.txt. Okay, so that's all. This is about what you should aware. One is the read operation. Second one is what? Write operation, right? Next, Manisha, what you doubt? Yes, Manisha, what you doubt? Okay, we can use one is for reading purpose, the second one is for writing purpose, right? Okay, well, now, sir, for each line in F1, automatically F1 means F1 dot read and so on is going to be happen. Don't worry much about that. For every line present in F1 means automatical reading is going to be happen. Don't worry, sir. So here just observe. I got the first line. Sir. Observe that print of line I'm printing. Print of line. Oh, can you please read the first line and then print. Next, this is the for loop, right? Go for next line, print. Go for next line, print. Go for next line, print, like this. So just is it going to read our data or not? That's what I'm going to check, sir. Is it going to read our data or not? First, let me cross check. Py test.py. Are you getting? Yes, man. First time this is the data. Second time this is the data. Third time this is the line. I mean third line. Fourth line. And then tomorrow morning 1 lakh numbers and so on. I added in the input. Even this data also, right? That's all. So now for every line present in the input.txt, yes, we can able to read that. Okay, printing that line is not my job. In that line, how many mobile numbers are there? Read each and every mobile number. Read each and every mobile number present in this line. Sir, write that to output.txt. Remember that, sir. Read each. Sir, now, Saujanya, can you please tell? Sir, I got one line. This line may contain multiple numbers. This line may contain multiple numbers. 959697. Multiple numbers are available in this. I want to find all the numbers present in this line. Can you please tell which method we require to use? Saujanya, can you please confirm which method we require to use in this case? So all the people, can you please tell find all? Are you getting? Find all. Find all means in this string, how many mobile numbers are there? Can you please write all these mobile numbers to? Okay, some list. Okay, assume. Now for each line, list is equal to re dot find on. Sir, you are searching for which pattern? My required pattern is 6 to 9 and then backslash d 9 times. Are you getting? And then backslash d 9 times, comma. Where you require to find these patterns are inside a line. Yes. So in this line, whatever, how many times this pattern is there, all those matches happily you can write to this list. Regarding all those things, happily you can write to this list. Okay, that's all. Now this list contain all the mobile numbers related to that line. All mobile numbers are there. Okay, now for each number in list, f2 dot write. For each number in this list, f2 dot write off. Can you please write that number? F2 dot write off. Can you please write that number? Okay, that's all. Next, and after that, just what I want to take, sir. Just after this one, just can you please add the backslash n? Can you please add? Write is always, do you know? Write is always going to add data in the total line. That's why just I'm taking backslash n. Can you please write backslash n like this, right? Again, can you please write backslash n like even comma backslash n is also acceptable. No problem at all. Okay. Now, sir, just think a bit very carefully, sir. Here, Amit, search function is going to return match object. From the match object, we require to use group method. Remember, search function returns a match object. That match object, from that m dot start, m dot end, m dot group, we require to use. Next, find iter returns all matched objects one by one we have to get, and then we require to use m dot start, m dot end, m dot group, and so on. But if I use a find all directly, which things got matched, all those things by default will be available in this list. Remember this one, sir. Okay, now this list, sir. First I'm reading one line. Legend this one. First line. I'm reading one line. In this line, sir, how many times this pattern is available? All. Can you please find all those patterns and write to this list? Okay, in this list, how many mobile numbers are there? Write to those mobile numbers to output.txt. Okay, any doubt? Is it understandable form? We will have some alternative things also. Don't worry about that. We can have some alternative things also. Don't worry. Yeah. Are you able to understand? Sir, while we are using find all, we have to take in list, and we can directly use f2 dot write, or we can use, no, you can't use f2 dot write. If you are going to use f2 dot write, list of numbers will be added, but not one by one, Divya, but not one by one. Okay, like this is the problem. Next, here let me remove this backslash n. Some people are having the doubt about this one also. I will show. Don't worry. Completed? Are you feeling comfortable? Sir, for every line in the file, sir, in this line, all mobile numbers, write to list. Every number present in this list, write that number to f2. F2 means what? Output.txt. Are you getting output.txt? Okay, like output.txt file. Okay, this cycle by default will be repeated. Next, at last, what I have to take? Sir, print extracted all mobile numbers, all mobile numbers into output.txt, output.txt. Okay, like you people should aware, sir. Next, the f1 dot close, and then f2 dot close, because the work with these files got completed, right? Okay, that's why we are not required to do that. f1 dot close, f2 dot close. Next, here, have you observed input.txt, output.txt? These things we are always talking about with respect to current location. Some people may ask us, sir, no, I want from C directive. Something like, happily you can use absolute path also. In the file IO operation, somewhere we cover, happily we can use absolute path also. Itself is acceptable. Clear, right? Clear? Okay. Now observe that. Sir, in the input.txt, total how many numbers are there? Can you please tell? Total how many numbers are there? This is one number, valid mobile number, another number. Now I'm taking, sir. 9797. Sorry, 97979797979. It is not a mobile number because only 9 digits are there. Have you observed, right? Only 9 digits are there. That's why it is not a valid mobile number. Next and after that, so 9898989887. 11 digits are there. It is not valid mobile number. Only 4 valid mobile numbers are there, sir. Let me cross check. Yes, sir, extracted all mobile numbers into output.txt. Let me open output.txt, sir. Okay, type output.txt. Sir, from the command prompt, you can open text file. Sir, type is the command. I hope it's going to work. Can you please observe that? The problem, have you observed? Total data written to single line only. My requirement is, boss, after writing first line, sir, new character. Are you getting? After writing first line, new character like this. What you can able to do? Sir, comma, n, or otherwise, plus backslash n. What is the meaning of backslash n, sir? Array number plus backslash n. What is the meaning of that? So new line by default will be there. Now observe a bit carefully. Observe, extracted all mobile numbers, extracted all mobile numbers, all mobile numbers. Then automatically type output.txt. Yes, perfect. All the mobile numbers by default I can able to read. Sir, this data is available in output.txt, sir. Just from the command prompt, I'm trying to open output.txt. Remember that. Yes. Are you in a position to understand? Next, Raja having the doubt. Why don't you use end attribute? Why don't you use end attribute and is equal to empty like? No, because here it is not print function. End attribute, separate attribute applicable for print. It is the write function of a file. Remember that, write function of a file. It is not print, normal print statement. If you are going to use normal print statement, end attribute by default is applicable. Are you able to understand? Okay, that's all. Yeah, Onkar, yes, you can able to do that like that. You can able to do, sir. Yes, you can do that in the shorthand way. You can able to do. Yes, up to this, either clear for all of you, right? Sir, how you can able to read the data? How you can able to write the data? Next and after that, in sir, this file contain 1 lakh numbers also, sir. This file contain 1 lakh numbers also. 1 lakh numbers also. The process is always same. What I will do is, anyway, I'm not going to think about duplicates. Observe that I'm not going to think about duplicates, right? Duplicates, forget about duplicates. So just copy paste and so on. Like I'm taking copy paste and so on. I didn't write the logic to remove the duplicates. To remove the duplicates, I didn't write the logic. Okay, now that's all. How many numbers are there now? How many mobile numbers are there now? Oh, there is huge mobile numbers are there. We don't know that. Okay, many numbers are there. Now let me open my current output file. Output.txt just now got created, right? Sir, this is earlier code. This is earlier. Only 4 or 5 numbers are there. But now same code I copy pasted multiple times. Same code I copy pasted multiple times. Let me execute this code. Let me execute this code. Even 1 lakh mobile numbers also, just within few seconds only, your numbers are ready. Your numbers are ready, sir. Okay, that's all. Your numbers are ready. Okay, like this, sir. Now let me open that here. Just observe that. Let me open that file. Let me open. Have you observed, right? All these numbers by default will be there. All these numbers by default will be there. Clear? Are you able to understand? So this one is going to be performed which operation? Override operation by default. Nandakishore, by default override operation. So because I didn't write the logic for duplicate elimination, that's why it is so going to print all these things. If I can use eliminate duplicate logic also, then obviously what will happen is yes, sir, the only 4 or 5 numbers by default will come in the picture. Clear, right? Any doubt? A small example which is going to be more meaningful. Okay, just yeah. Any doubt? Yeah. So Jane, here there is a flaw in our logic. Yes, instead of list you can use set, no problem at all. Good, Prasad. Ankita, okay, set we can use, then automatical duplicates by default can be removed. Remember, next and after that there is a flaw is there in our logic. Sir, what is our problem is, here we are always talking about wherever this match is there, find that match. Regarding wherever this match is there, find that match. That's all. Sir, here even 11 numbers are there. It is always going to consider yes, sir, this one. Regarding, it's always going to consider only this one. Regarding 98989898, that may be the reason why we have 9898 and so on like this. Okay, so I don't want to consider like that. Just another 1 or 2 extra lines we require to write. Clear, right? Saujanya, are you in a position to understand? Some extra lines we require to write, some extra code we require to write, so that we can handle that thing. No problem at all. Just my intention is, so how is our Python program can able to capture mobile numbers from the file, where the mobile numbers mixed with some data or not. This is the basic. Okay. Next, another example I want to take. Sir, this example is also very meaningful example, sir. Take a bit special care, a bit advanced terminology we are going to use. What is my next example is, sir, web scraping. Okay, legend this one. Very important, sir. Web scraping by using regular expressions. Sir. This example I want to talk, sir. Web scraping by using regular expressions. Sir, what is the meaning of web scraping? What the meaning of web scraping, sir? Sir, the process of collecting information from web pages. I want to read the data. I want to collect the data from the web pages. From the web pages, sir. The process of collecting information from the web pages is called web scraping. Are you getting that? Web scraping means web scraping means the process of collecting data from the web pages. Web pages, right? Live web pages is by default considered as web scraping. In web scraping, to match our required pattern like mail IDs, mobile numbers, like array, can you please open redbus.in, redbus.in, in redbus.in, how many mobile numbers are there? Can you please capture all those mobile numbers? Capture all those mobile numbers and send one SMS message. Okay, like send one SMS message, something like I want to capture all mail IDs. I want to capture all mobile numbers, all mail IDs. I want to check all mobile numbers. From that, how you can able to do? How you can able to do? Yes, for that regular expressions concept we can use. Sir, observe what is the meaning of web scraping? Collecting information from the web pages. Next, in that collected information, what I want to do is, I want to identify mobile numbers. I want to identify mail IDs, like a particular pattern I want to search. Then automatically regular expressions is the best concept to understand. Remember that, sir. So web scraping by using regular expressions is a very common thing. But how you can able to do that? Matter of few minutes of the code. Can I go for that? Yes. Can I go for this one? Okay, a small chota example, but here you can see the maja. Okay, I'm sure, sir. Very simple, sir. If you want, if you want to, sir, my requirement here is, sir, I want to open URL first. I want to read the data. I want to open URL first, and I want to read the data. So to open URL, to send the request, we require to use one special module, sir. What is that special module? URL lib. URL lib is nothing but one special module we require to use. URL lib, URL library. One special module we require to use, right? In the dot request is there. Just URL lib dot request we are always going to use, right? Okay. So now just let me go for how you can able to do that. Just very simple, sir. Legend this one. I'm going for import rg, comma URL lib. Are you getting import rg, comma URL lib? Okay. Next, import URL lib dot request. Import URL dot request. Like this I'm taking, sir. Next, which websites you want to open? Which websites you want to open, sir? Sites is equal to just I'm taking just here. You can able to specify, sir. List of sites, sir. Okay, list of sites you can able to specify, sir. Google.com. Are you getting that? Google.com. Next, Rediff.com. Like this we can able to do that. No problem at all. So we can Google.com. Next, and after that Rediff.com. Like this we can able to do that, sir. Assume that sites is equal to Google.com, Rediff.com. Like this I took a list of sites. You can able to take any slides, any sites, right, sir? In next, HTTP. Better to use full URL. Right? HTTP colon, sir, like this. Next, and after that HTTP colon / Rediff.com, like this. Yes, any doubt? URL lib package, it's not available, I hope. Separate we are importing. Okay, next for each site insights, for each site insights in websites, what I'm taking, sir? Print searching, print, sir, I'm searching where? Print, I'm searching, yes, are you getting that? Print, I'm trying to search a yes, like this I'm going to do that. Print, okay, like, sir, just yes, sorry, yes is nothing but site, sorry, for each yes insights, for each yes insights, can you please just searching so on so website, like this I'm doing, sir. Next, what is the next one we require to take, sir? Sir, u is equal to, just observe that a bit very carefully, sir. U is equal to, just I'm trying to open, I'm trying to get the response, something like url lib, regarding url lib dot request dot url open, url open, remember that url open. While discussing, if it's really required, then we will talk about this API, just for one example sake. That's why directly just, oh, this is aware, just aware the process. If web scraping is really required, and then all these modules, functions, variables, and so on, we may discuss. Okay, just observe a bit carefully, that's all. Open, sir, which thing I require to open, sir? Which thing I require to open? Directly yes is there, directly yes is there, whether it's going to open or not, just directly yes is there, sir. Next, text is equal to u dot read, text is equal to u dot read. Sir, this line talks about, hey, can you please open so and so site, can you please open so and so site. Next, and after that, now I have to get the text related to that, text related to that. Now what I'm taking, sir, what is the title, what is the title in that? How you can able to identify title, sir? How you can able to identify title? So re dot find all, re dot find all, just do you know, most of the times title is always will be there, title will always will be there inside, like this, right? Correct or not? Title will always will be there inside web pages, okay. Title is always within title tags, correct or not? Within title tags by default will be there, sir. Dot star, any kind of thing by default, any kind of thing like this. Next, and after that, okay, take a bit very special care what it is going to do that. 1 minute, re dot find all, str dot text, ser dot text, okay. Can you please convert, sir, text, can you please convert text like. Next, and after that, re dot lri, I hope, let me cross check, I'm not sure exactly, right? Okay, so just we will find out, don't worry about that. So print title of 0, okay, like I'm trying to take. Sir, what it is doing, sir? Observe that what it is doing. Now find all, three things will be there. Pattern, where this is the string where you require to search. Re ignore case, have you remembered somewhere? Ignore case, okay. Like simply re dot I also may be acceptable. 1 minute, let me cross check, sir. Wow, wonderful, have you observed, right? Sir, it is open, okay. Searching http google.com, searching http google.com. Now I got this title, are you getting that? Now I got this title, okay. Title, what is the title, sir? We got what is the title we got? Okay, like Google, this is the title we are going to get for the Google page. 1 minute, sir. Google.com. If I open, what is the title by default you are going to get, sir? Yes, sir. Google.com. Have you observed title? You can able to see at the top. Are you getting? If you open that also, you can able to see at the top. Okay, Google. Next, rediff.com. Okay, rediffmail.com or rediff.com. Rediff.com. Then automatically, sir, have you observed, right? Rediff, here title is, can you please cross check, sir? Title is Rediff online. Have you observed Rediff online shopping, red mail, last, and so on like this? Let me observe that. If my cursor is locating, automatical title will come. Or otherwise, we can see HTML also. Sir, view web page source, view web page source. You can able to say in that. Are you seeing anywhere title, sir? Yes. Can you please observe that? This is the title what we have. Are you getting? This is the title what we have. Observe that. This is the title what we have. Title rediff.com, online shopping, Rediff, and so on. Okay, like I hope you can able to see, sir. Correct? Yes, ma'am. If I open the Google, can you please view page source? Then what is the title by default we are going to have? Are you seeing anywhere title? Yes, yeah. Have you observed, right? Have you observed title? Title itself is nothing but Google something like. Okay, in the web scraping, sir, we can able to use regular expressions concept. But anyway, don't worry much about the APIs what we use, sir. Just a basic you have to aware, sir. URL lib module, URL lib in that request we are going to, sir, import. Next URL lib request dot URL open of our site. Automatically it's going to open. Now if you want a text is nothing but like this. Sir, this is the HTML. Can you please convert into the string format something like? Now, sir, this is the pattern what I require to search. Next and after that, case wise, don't worry about that. Is it lowercase or uppercase? Okay, like this is what just aware. But anyway, it's not that much meaningful, sir. Just we will go for another example. There you can able to see. There you can able to see much meaning, sir. Remember that. Yeah. What is read is reading. What read is reading? Yeah. Saujanya, in which line you are talking? Line number 7? Line number 7? Yes. So text u.read means, sir, after open this URL, the web page, this is the page what it's going to read, sir. This total thing is nothing but text. Regarding this total thing itself is nothing but a text. Remember this one. This total itself is the text. Observe that. So now that text in the wherever this thing is there, okay, like so wherever this thing is there in the, can you please search for this pattern in this text? Can you please search for this pattern something like wherever it is there, title, under title, dot star means any character in the middle, wherever this type of pattern is there, can you please let me know? Now, like then automatically what will happen is find all, it is going to return, sir, find all means a list of. In that only first title I want, then automatically you can able to get. Yeah. Now, sir, some people are asking, legend, some people are asking, sir, can you please print this text? Can you please print this text like this? So don't get shocked. What text you are going to get? Total HTML text by default we are going to get, sir. I'm sure. Okay. Anyway, let me remove this one. Let me remove. Only Google only is there. Assume that. Now observe that. Sir, don't get shocked. Complete HTML page of Google. It is going to. Yeah. Have you observed, right? Yes. Searching bdoc type. This is HTML page. Whatever after opening google.com. This is the page by default we are going to get. This is the content. So in this content, wherever this pattern is there, please, can you please provide? So you are, don't worry about case. Don't worry about the case. Like how you can able to do like this. What is the meaning of dot star means? In between title and title, anything is there. Star means any number of characters. Dot means anything. Dot means any character. Star means any number of times. But compulsory at the beginning title and the title by default will be there. Maybe Divya, I'm not sure. Maybe just a dot will not do. Dot means a single character. Dot means a single character. Saujanya, single character. So your title may contain multiple characters, right? Any number of characters. To specify any number of characters in between title. So title tags, then we should go for dot star. So now just in this example, I'm sure you are not seeing, I'm sure you are not seeing something like much, just only printing title. What is the use? Now let me go for one more example. There you people can able to feel more comfortable, I'm sure, sir. Okay, one thing. Yeah. Some people are asking why you are perform typecasting to the string. 1 minute. I'm not sure, sir. This one print. What is this one type of text? What is the type of text? If it is already string type, then here string str typecasting is not required. Not required. Str typecasting is not required. Just have a look once, sir. What is the type? What is the type? Have you observed, right? Because it is the binary data, something like bytes. Are you getting something like bytes? That's why that bytes I'm trying to convert into the str type. That bytes I'm trying to convert into the str type. Okay, one thing. Next and after that, so maybe this type of things, multiple things are there. Maybe this type of things, multiple things are there in the web page. Sir, I want only first match. First match. Then automatically title of 0. Okay, next, Divya. Without open the browser, how you can send a request or how the website is loaded? Yes. So don't fear. So you are always going to send the request from the browser only. No such type of thing. Okay. From Java program also you can able to communicate. From command prompt also you can able to send the request to the web browser, like a web server. All the things are possible. Browser is one way to send a HTTP request. Divya, are you able to understand? If you want to do manually, browser is one way. Other than browser, from program also we can able to do that. No problem. Write a Java program, open google.com. Write a Selenium program to open and to do a particular activity. Yes, we can do that. Need not be browser always. So this is one just example. Just a small example what we have. Suppose my requirement is legend. Next example is the more meaningful. I'm sure, sir, you will get some more clarity, right? Write a program, sir, to get all phone numbers of redbus.in by using web scraping and the regular expressions. Are you getting? Sir, can you please read all mobile numbers? Can you please read all mobile numbers, whatever there? This is about my requirement, right? So write a program to read all mobile numbers present in redbus.in. Are you getting? What is the website name, sir? Redbus.in. This is about my requirement, right? Let me open manually once. Manually once. Yamai, sir, what things I'm going to set, sir? I'm not sure. Here, let me open that. So redbus.in, just next redbus.in, contact information. Anywhere there, sir? Contacts like sir so and so, like redbus.in /info/ sir contact us like this. Contact us like we are going to communicate, sir. Observe that sir, this is contact Ahmedabad so and so address, next Delhi so and so address, next Ernakulam Mumbai so and so address, like you are saying, sir. Are you able to see, sir? You are seeing somewhere. Now my requirement is observe that, sir, here mobile numbers are not there. Are you getting? Mobile numbers are not there, it seems. Okay, just LAN numbers or otherwise what these maybe LAN numbers, it seems. Okay, we will write the corresponding code. Just if you can change the regular expression, automatically we can able to capture all the information. Don't worry about that. First, how you can able to do just a model, have a look once. Okay, sir, very simple, sir. Very simple code. What I want to write here, just have a look once. Just have a look once. Everything is always required. Sir, sites is required. Sites is not required. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, sir. Here, just u is equal to URL. U is equal to URL lib dot request URL lib dot request URL open. Can you please open URL? Which URL you require to open, sir? Just spell out this URL. Okay, that's all. Open this URL, sir. Now you are going to get text is equal to u dot read. Oh, now you are getting data, sir. Sir, numbers is equal to just observe that re dot find all. So which numbers you require to find? Assume that which numbers you require to find, sir. So if you are seeing, can you please select some numbers anywhere? Can you please select some numbers? Okay, some numbers are delete 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is one number we have. Observe that based on these patterns, you can able to find the regular expression. This is one number we have. Next, any other? Yes, sir. This is another number we have. This is another number we have. Okay. Next, any other number, sir? This is another number we have. Another number we have. Next, any other? Can you please cross check any other number? Okay, something like this is another number we have. Okay, this is another number we have like this, right? This is another number we have. So mostly this is the toll free, I hope. Mostly observe that here their format is, according to their format is, if you observe 3 digits STD code, and then hyphen, and then LAN number, are you getting that? And then LAN number. Then, sir, based on this pattern, you can write the code. Sir, my requirement is first digits are, assume that first digits are 0 to 9. Are you getting? First digits are 0 to 9 are hyphen. 0 to 9 are hyphen. How many times, sir? Just observe that. How many times? 7 times. Just observe all these numbers here. 0 to 9. How many times, right? Like just 0, 9. Observe that 0, 9 hyphen. 0 to 9 hyphen. Sir, symbols are there. Minimum seven things are there, sir. Minimum 7 things are there. And then 0 to 9. Okay, here I'm taking 0 to 9 hyphen plus I'm taking just 1 minute, sir. What it means? 1 minute. Observe that. Sir, can you please cross check total how many numbers are there? Please count. Here 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Are you getting? So what you can able to do? Why you have to worry about that? Sir, can you? We will analyze that. We will analyze and so on. Instead of that, wherever 0 to 9, and hyphen symbol. Sir, hyphen symbol. 0 to 9 are hyphen symbol. Minimum some 7 or otherwise 7 minimum 7 digits are there. Minimum 7 digits are hyphen symbols are there, and then minimum 7. 0 to, here just observe 0 to 9 hyphen any something like I'm taking. What is the meaning of this regular expression? Anyone can you please guide what I'm doing? Sir, you can take zeros 0 to 9 any digit or hyphen. Sir, how many times you can take? Minimum 7 times. Minimum 7 times you can take. Even hyphen also, because here in my numbers hyphen symbol is there. Next and after that 0 to 9, and then hyphen, and then plus. So 7 times compulsory should be there. After that any number of times no problem at all. 7 times and after that any number of times no problem at all. Like you can write to match these patterns. Don't worry about that, sir. Don't worry about that. Okay, comma find all. What is the next thing we require to take, sir? str of text. Can you please convert in the text? Next one, what I have to take, sir? Regular expressions, ignore case. Regular expression, ignore case. Sir, I hope this one is going to be enough. I mean, only numbers we are going to check, sir. Only numbers we are going to check. That's why we are not required to worry about this. Okay, still you are considering, no problem. Yes. Can you please observe? Can you please observe what is the why I took like this? Why I took like this? By seeing some numbers. Yes, Nandakishore. Don't worry about that. Why I'm taking this thing? Can you please forget about this one? Okay, listen. The regular expression is not that much clear. Now observe that. Sir, here do you know? I want to find these type of numbers. Okay, assume that. Sir, first I'm taking 0 to 9. Assume that 0 to 9. How many times I'm going to take, sir? 3 times. Assume that. And after that, what I have to take? Hyphen. Legend this one. I'm coming towards you. So, like, sir, 0 to 9, 3 times should be there. And then what is the symbol? Hyphen symbol will be there. And after that, how many digits are there? Can you please cross check? How many digits are there, sir? Sir, how many digits are there? 8 digits. Then automatically 0 to 9, 8 you can take. No problem at all. Okay, like no problem. Itself is acceptable. Then what will happen is only this type of numbers we are going to get. Anyway, no issue at all. Just if any number is not going to be covered, here, just observe. If any number is not going to be covered, we will change the regular expression. Sir, Saujanya, next all the people, are you feeling comfortable? Are you feeling comfortable with this regular expression? Okay. Sir, now maybe if hyphen means there is some special meaning is there. If it is the case, let me take within square bracket. Remember, if hyphen is a special symbol is there, we can take within the square bracket. Next, re.i, not required. Because what is the reason is, these are not mobile numbers, right? These are not data, right? Text data, right? Ignore case, uppercase, lower case. We are not required to worry about that. That's why let me remove. Clear? Thoda clarity. I hope you are getting. Hare? Yes. Saujanya, earlier just 2 or 3 members. The regular expression is not that much clear, sir. Now, are you feeling comfortable? Yes, all. So that I will continue. So, just we open URL by using URL library, and after that you are reading the data. Next, in that data, whether this type of patterns are available, can you please let me know? All those matched patterns, can you please keep inside numbers, like this, right? Sir, what is the next one? What is the next one, sir? For n in numbers, print of n. Every number, can you please print it to the console? Can you please print it to the console like this, right? Now, sir, if any number is not covered, then you require to change the regular expression accordingly. Don't worry about that. Have you observed that? Yes, man. Yes. So my Python program opened redbus.in, and in that, what are various numbers are there? According to this pattern, all those numbers by default I got. Regarding that, all those numbers by default I got. We are not required to search manually, right? We are not required to search manually. Next and after that, if anywhere duplicates are there, I didn't write the logic for duplicate elimination. Clear? Yes. Are you in a position to understand, right, what the meaning of web scraping? Just maybe API we didn't discuss, just get the regular expressions is very helpful in the web scraping area. Okay, like that, you can able to talk about mail IDs also. Okay, like that. Sir, you may ask, some more numbers are not covered, sir. Some more numbers are not covered, something like that. If some more numbers are not covered, anyone, can you please observe that which numbers are not covered? So that which numbers are not covered? Yes, sir. This number is not covered. Regarding this number is not covered. This number is not covered, right? Okay. So toll free numbers are not covered. Not covered. Then automatically what I will take, sir, minimum 3 times or 4 times. Minimum 3 times or 4 times. Are you getting right? Minimum 3 times or 4 times. Next, Kolkata number also not covered. Where is the Kolkata? What is the Kolkata number? Oh, hyphen is not there. Hyphen is not there. So sometimes instead of hyphen, space is also maybe. So space maybe it is also space also maybe. Either hyphen or space. What I will take? Hyphen or space. Either hyphen or space. Just I change it here. Next, and after that, sir, 3 minimum, 4 max. Then automatically it is going to be covered. It is going to be covered. Next, okay, it is covered, sir. Hyphen is also covered. 300, like here again the problem is going to come. Again, let me change. This time Kolkata number by default is going to be covered. Can you please observe that? Can you please observe that? Yes. Some more extra numbers got covered or not? Yes. Are you seeing Kolkata number got covered or not? Divya. Yes. Like so, if you are going to, if you are making some small change, yes. Here also one more number extra covered. Hyphen symbol is not there. Happily, it is going to be it's going to be considered, sir. Next, like you can change the regular expression accordingly. Then the corresponding output by default is going to come, sir. Okay, like this is one option what you people should aware. So in the web scraping area, yes, regular expressions is the regular expressions is concept is going to be there. Next, sir, toll free number is not displayed. Correct. What is the reason? You have to tell. What is the reason? Toll free number here. Okay, up to this my regular expression considered, but here second hyphen symbol is there. That is the bigger problem. Regarding second hyphen symbol is there. That is the bigger problem. That's why it is not considered. That's why what I will take is 0 to 9 hyphen also, and then let me take a plus or star. Let me take plus or star. No problem. Now observe, all the numbers should be captured. All numbers should be captured. All the numbers should be captured, sir. Have a look once. Have a look once. Then automatically all the toll free numbers also by default came or not? Toll free number also by default came or not? Now all the numbers by default got captured because I didn't keep any restriction. I didn't keep any restriction, sir. After compulsory first 3 or 4 digits, under then hyphen or space, under then 0 to 9 hyphen, any number of times you can take. Any number of times you can take automatically. Any number of times you can take automatically like this. Clear, right? Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware. What is the meaning of web scraping? How you can able to do that, sir? Okay. Next, can I continue? Yes. Okay. So just what I want to take here is some more examples are there. Just 2 or 3 examples. Please bear, or otherwise just 2 minutes. Example. Okay. What is the next example here is? Observe a bit very carefully about this one. Next one is the very easy because already we covered the same kind of style. Okay, like sir, what is the next example is? Write a Python program to check whether the given mail ID is valid Gmail or not. Regarding to check whether the given mail ID is a valid Gmail mail or not. Mail ID is valid Gmail ID or not. Gmail ID or not. So it should be compulsory Gmail ID only. It should be compulsory Gmail ID only. So like how you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Very simple. So what is the regular expression for representing mail IDs? Can you please tell how the mail ID looks like? Suppose Durga advjava@gmail.com. Sir, if it is the Gmail, intentionally I want to check, it should be Gmail. It should be Gmail. Then, sir, these characters are always fixed. These characters always fixed. Now you have the choice only here. Sir, can you please tell what is the first letter usually in our mail? What is the first letter usually in our mail? Usually in our mail, what the first letter? First letter should be, sir, either alphabet symbol or digit also. In my regular sessions, you know, offline sessions, whenever I asked, sir, usually first character should be alphabet symbol only. No, sir, my mail ID starts with a digit. Like 2 or 3 students responded. Oh, so first character can be either alphabet symbol or digit also. That's why \w. First character completed. After that you can take, sir, usually in the mail ID, do you know, Durga TOC dot symbol is allowed. Next one after the Durga underscore TOC, sir, it is also allowed. That's why, sir, we can take A to Z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9 underscore dot, any number of times you can take, no problem at all. Any number of times you can take, no problem at all. Okay, like underscore dot, like anyway, first character alphanumeric character, next character onwards either alphabet symbols or alphabet symbols or digits or underscore dot, like this. Like next @gmail, it is always fixed. Dot compulsory we require to take within square bracket. What is the reason? You know, dot means dangerous things are calm. Are you getting? Dot compulsory we require to take, and then com we have to take. Sir, this is the regular expression to check whether the given mail ID is valid mail ID or not. How you can, sir, write a program for that? Write a program for that. Now observe that import RE. Import, can you please import regular expression? S is equal to input of, S is equal to input of enter mail ID. Enter mail ID. Boss, can you please enter your mail ID? Whatever the mail ID you want to check, mail ID. So M is equal to RE dot full match. Are you getting that? RE dot full match. Full match I want to search, sir. Full match. Whatever full match, whatever regular expression is, do you know, this is the regular expression. This is the regular expression where you have to search this one inside yes. Where we require to search this one inside yes. If M is not equal to none, if M is not equal to none, so if M is not equal to none, print valid mail ID. Print valid mail ID. Valid mail ID, like this, right? Sir, else print invalid mail ID. Print invalid mail ID. Okay, like this. Are you in a position to understand that? Sir, very simple. Whatever your mail ID, is it full match according to this one or not? Is it full match according to this one or not? Okay, like if you are having such a type of requirement, happily you can do that. Next, I have one more doubt. Sir, our logic I used, sir, mail ID should contain at least one length, and after one length you can take any number of symbols, no problem at all. One length. That is the assumption I'm making. Sir, mail ID should be minimum 6 characters. Mail ID should be minimum 6 characters. Then automatically I will change my regular expression. Srivani, are you getting right? Okay, I'm assuming that, sir, one character is enough. Itself is a valid mail ID, something like. Now observe that. Here, have a look. Enter your mail ID. Sir, Durga, can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Array Durga, is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Immediately it is telling invalid mail ID. Array Durga, Durga TOC. I'm taking, sir. Invalid. Okay, now I'm taking Durga TOC @gmail.com. Are you getting @gmail? Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Invalid, sir. Sir, now observe that. So Durga TOC @gmail.com I'm providing, sir. Then automatically it is treated as valid mail ID. So just aware the terminology, sir, based on our requirement, exact requirements, so we can able to change the code. Suppose sometimes what will happen is, I don't want only Gmail, sir. I don't want only Gmail. Rediff mail also I want to consider. Then automatically, you know, anything with the .com extension, this is about my requirement, right? Sir, now A to Z, sir, A to Z, and alphabet symbols 0 to 9, something like TV9, TV9.net, TV9.net, and so on. Okay, like sir, how many symbols, sir? At least one symbol like this I'm taking. Assume at least one symbol. Now it is not only for Gmail. Now observe that. Now observe that. Sweta at the rate tv9.net, my friend, sir. Okay, Sweta at the rate tv9.net. Okay, like invalid mail ID. What's the problem? What's the problem? What is the problem, sir? The problem is we are always checking for .com. We are always searching for .com. Okay, sir. No, no, .com also don't, sir. .net also acceptable. There, A to Z, A to Z, sir, plus A to Z plus A to Z plus .net also. Now observe that Sweta at the rate tv9.net. Are you getting right? Now valid mail ID. Are you getting valid mail ID like this, right? Sir, if you want only Gmail or Reddit mail, only Gmail or Reddit mail, only Gmail or Reddit, I want to check, sir. Very simple. Here we have the constraint. Here we have the constraint. Here it is always fixed. Gmail or something like Gmail or Rediff mail, something like you can able to do that. Some this type of symbols also allowed, sir. Or either this one or this one. Are you getting either this one or this one? Pipe symbol, either this one or this one. Like regular expressions, if you are dig n number of options, by default you can able to get. Remember, are you getting basic idea where regular expressions are going to be helpful? Ayo, yes. Okay, now what is the next one more example, sir? I want to take one more example like sir, my requirement is observe a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, do you know write a Python program to check whether the given car registration number is valid sir, TS number or not, Telangana state number or not. Okay, car registration number is valid TS number or not, like this I want, sir. How we can able to check? How you can able to check, sir? Very simple, sir. What is the format, sir? Do you know my car number? TS07EA, TS07EA 7777. This is my car number, sir. Okay, TS07EA 7777 is my car number. Now observe, yes, observe that. Okay, like do you know it is yes, yeah, parts are the original only. This number is my original car number. I'm very fancy about 7. 7. That's why even my mobile number also, you know, 8977777777, and then last digit something is there. Okay, sir, like sir, you know, it's my original number only. Don't worry. Yes, correct. 7 7s in my mobile number, and then last one anyway, some X is there. Okay. Yeah, now observe that a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, car registration number is valid or not, like I want to check. Sir, if you observe that first digits should be TS, first letters should be TS only, right? First thing. Okay, so it is always fixed. Now observe that it's always fixed at TS only. Okay, first thing should be TS only, and then here 07, sir, 007 first digits should be, do you know, 77 79 is not there, max number 29 like that only. That's why here 0 1 or 2 because TS 99 number is not there, sir. Remember that TS here we have max number TS 29 something, 27 28 up to that only. That's why, so first digit should be 0 1 or 2, but second digit can be 0 to 9 anything. Okay, so these two things also covered. Next, EA, this one mostly alphabet symbols. First one is A to Z, any alphabet symbol. Second one is A to Z, like 2 times I'm taking. Okay, like this. Yes, 0 0, according to our logic, it is telling that 0 0 is also valid. According to our logic, it is telling 0, 0 is also valid. If you want, we can exclude that. Yes, we have to write the code for that. If the first one is the 0, second should not be 0, second should be other than that. Like we can keep a bit more complex regular expression, Prithvi. Don't worry. Next and after that, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like you can able to take, sir. What I will take \d, okay, like sir, 4 times, sir. 4 digits, any digits you can able to take, okay, like sir. Now here also 0, 0, 0, 0, still we are including, no problem. I don't want to keep my regular expression very complex, yeah. If all the possible combinations we require to cover, yes, we can write with a bit more complexity. Beyond that, nothing, sir. This is now observe that this is the regular expression. This is the regular expression. Just I'm replacing this one. Just I'm replacing this one. Next, enter registration number. Enter registration number. Enter registration number. Like this I'm taking, sir. Valid number. Next, invalid number, like this. Valid number, invalid number, like. Now let me execute this code, sir. Like TS07 EA 7777. My card number only I'm giving. Then automatically valid number, sir. Sir, my another card number is there. TS07, sir. Not TS07, sir. G. No. Nagur sir is always using EH, sir. 0786. Okay, like it is also valid number only. Suppose if I'm giving, sir, observe that TS 123 EK 7860, something like this I'm taking. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Why? Where it is going to violate our rule? TS, okay. But here 123, but compulsory here you should take only 2 digits only, sir. And then you can take, no problem. Here 2 digits only, but here you are taking 3 digits, then invalid number. Clear? Are you in a position to understand, right? That's all, friends. So with this basic knowledge, you can able to dig, you can able to practice some more examples so that you can get much clarity. Okay, make sure, sir. This is what is regular expressions with respect to Python. Remember, it is not Python related, sir. It is a language independent concept. In Java also it is there. In JavaScript it is there. Even everywhere we are going to have that. Okay, regular expressions, validations purpose we can use. Next and after that, pattern matching purpose you can able to use. Web scraping purposes we are going to use. Are you getting? Like all the scenarios, at least a basic idea. I hope you people got it. Clear? Yes? Any doubt? Yes, even 6 o'clock batch people also feeling comfortable. 6 o'clock batch people also feeling comfortable to practice. Okay, so this is just a check your this is the regular expression. This is the regular expression to check your mobile number. Is it a 10 digit or 11 digit or 12 digit or 13 characters mobile number? To check that, it is going to be helpful. Next and after that, one more thing. Next, some more practice if you want. Just have a look once, sir. So write a regular expression or write a Python program. Okay, write a Python program to collect all .com URLs from the given text file. Sir, in the txt file, in the txt file, sir, there are multiple URLs are there. My requirement is, can you please choose only .com URLs? Okay, this is one thing. Next, write a program to display. Write a program to display all .txt file names present in D:\Durga classes folder. D:\Durga classes folder. Assume that in your system D:\Durga classes folder is there. In that D:\Durga classes folder, all .txt file names I want to display. Can you please write a program? Are you getting? Can you please write a program for that? Sir, these many files are available. These are the text files, like you have to do that. Just to practice these small kind of things, then you will get much clarity. Clear?